Hello, my name is Christopher Desmond and I'm an engineering teacher at Hopewell High School. The purpose of this video is to provide some insight to both current and potential Hopewell students about what it's like to be a part of this program. Students involved in our career technical education pathway will learn about the fields of both engineering and manufacturing. We apply a hands-on approach to teach a variety of topics. But rather than me personally explaining it to you, we wanted our own students to tell you why you should select engineering.
I think students should join engineering at Hopewell because it's very interactive and hands-on. And every day we're doing something new that's actually exciting, so it's fun to come to class.
This program could be a good fit for you because you get a lot of hands-on experience with everything that we're doing. So if you ever want to learn how to 3D print, you will get to 3D print. If you want to learn how to laser cut, you will do that. And of course there's the math side to everything, but that is necessary for completely learning everything that we do in this class.
You gotta have like a really very functioning imagination as well, just to work on the hands-on projects. Like at one time I know we had to launch something halfway across the room. Many different things. You gotta know how to take one useless thing and how to make it into something amazing.
The change in pace from your other classes, more hands-on work, definitely not a break per se, but it's not sitting down all the time.
Class is a great way to find a team building exercise, and throughout the year you get to do all sorts of interactive stuff and use different parts and figure out the design process. So it's a great way to kind of, like you said, further your engineering skills and just get more social in the aspect of the design process.
It's an amazing course which taught me many things that I've never known about will be helpful in my future.
It's a very useful class, especially if you want to go into future engineering fields as a career.
I think students should sign up for engineering at Hopewell because it teaches about life skills that you could actually use in the future during jobs and interviews. And I also learned how to collaborate with others and how to use the data that I get from machines and computers and produce them in real life.
I think they should sign up because it's a very fun class. If you're looking to get into the engineering field, it's the perfect route for you, and they'll take you where you want to go.
I like that this class has a lot of real-life application and incorporates a lot of different types of math and science. So there might be things you don't like as much as others, but throughout the year you'll always find something that you really enjoy doing.
It's a really fun course and you learn lots about different career fields, and it'll really help you go far in life.
Every year, the engineering courses have been my favorite classes I've had.